In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency switcher to your WooCommerce site. This valuable feature allows your international customers to view and pay in their local currencies, enhancing their shopping experience on your website. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to visit wordpress.com, the platform where you'll manage your WooCommerce store. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your site's backend. Once you're at the WordPress homepage, click on the Login button. This will take you through the process of entering your credentials. If you're new to WordPress, you might find it helpful to bookmark this login page for quicker access in the future. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. It's here that all the magic happens. This dashboard is where you'll manage and customize your site, and where you'll add new features like the currency switcher. Look to the left-hand menu and you'll find a section labeled Plugins. This is where we want to head next. Go ahead and click on Plugins to open the Plugins management page. In the Plugins section, you'll see an Add New option. Click on this option to start the process of installing a new plugin. The WordPress repository offers a wide range of plugins to choose from. But today, we are focused on one thing: adding a currency switcher. To find this specific plugin, you'll need to use the search bar at the top right of the page. Type in currency switcher and hit enter. The search results will display various options, but the one we are interested in will usually be among the first listed. Once you find the currency switcher plugin that suits your needs, click on the plugin to select it. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can read about the plugin's features and user reviews. If you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to move on to the next step. Click on the Install Now button, which you'll find on the plugin's individual page. This process should start automatically and will take just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, there will be an option to activate the plugin. It's crucial to activate the plugin so it can start working on your website. Simply click Activate, and your new currency switcher will be live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a currency switcher to your WooCommerce store. Your international customers can now enjoy a seamless shopping experience in their local currency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.